In this video, we are going to discuss about two more sections, which is 4 and 5. So let's start from section number 4. Hello everyone, this is Insha, a career psychologist. Today I am here with a new video of UPSC Exploring. In the last video, we have discussed 3 sections. In this video, we are going to discuss about 2 more sections, which is 4 and 5. So let's start from section number 4. Preparing strategy. Preparing for UPSC requires dedication and a strategic approach. Many students opt for coaching, and while rest rely on self-studies. Regular revision, current affair updates, and mock exams are key elements for successful strategy. So, section number 5. Success stories. Every year, thousands aspirants, but only few make it. It's challenging journey, but the stories of those who have succeeded are truly inspiring. They prove that with the hard work and determination, achieving success in the UPSC is possible. So the conclusion of this video is as on your UPSC journey, remember that one step you take bring you closer to a brighter future. Best of luck, and may your achievements turn into aspirations turn into achievement. Until next time, happy studying. Thank you.